Hello everyone, here again. Today, I'm going to be doing a brand new food review, but before I start this food review, I do want to say, if you do like stuff to my channel, make sure you give a like, subscribe, and turn those notification bells on every time I upload. And also, if you haven't yet, make sure you give all my videos, the repeat videos, including this food review, a big thumbs up for the other if you haven't yet. And also, if you haven't yet, also, make sure you smash that subscribe button, and turn those notification bells on every time I upload new content on the channel. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this food review right now. Oh, before I even start, there's a very special someone there's someone that recommended me to doing this review. Yeah, I'm gonna be before I'm doing a Burger King food review, and this certain someone that shout out to Morchico Slambert because he requested me to do another Burger King review. This time I so yeah this time so yeah so what's the food review I'm doing in this burger wrapper. I'm doing the Burger King barbecue brisket Whopper. So yeah, plus I got some of the regular fries, and my drink got Sprite. So yeah, so I'm gonna get in my style for my Sprite style. You know, without further ado, first I'm gonna put my fries style. Still good fries as always. So now I'm gonna be trying the barbecue brisket Whopper. And some of you guys gonna be wondering where's the some of you guys saw others review this Whopper, including Don DeBon Smith, who reviewed this himself. But he also did that with that certain drink. But I didn't get because I was unable to do so because it was gonna completely melted on my way back home. So yeah. So you know, so I'm giving you just doing the burger. No, it's not that. No, that cotton candy club drink. So yeah. So yeah. So here's the barbecue brisket Whopper. It's really would be really good. It's I'm finally reviewing this. So for anyone can be trying this right now. That pickle, I think it had a pickle in there. But I'll have to do so for now. Like for Tata but he doesn't like tomatoes, but I like tomatoes. It's not bad. Oh yeah, really good Whopper. Okay, my first Burger King food. I always remember it family napkins. And like in Don's video, His Burger King forgot to get him napkins. Oh yeah, very good Whopper. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that. Carbonation from the Sprite. Yeah. So yeah. Oh yeah, this is definitely a good burger. It's really, really, really good. You guys haven't, some of you guys have not reviewing this yet. Go and check it out if you haven't yet. I know I already reacted to some people that I think only one night. Alright, some other people that have reviewed this. But at least I know I'm reviewing this now. Oh yeah, real good burger. So I'm gonna give it now. I'm gonna be giving my rating now. I'm gonna give my rating on the Burger King barbecue brisket burger. I mean Whopper. What am I giving my rating on this? For regular wise, I give it a 10. Give it a 10 out of 10. For fancy wise, I give it a 95. It's really good. It's a really good Whopper. Oh yeah, really good Whopper. Some of you guys got to get this if you haven't yet. So yeah. So yeah, that's the end of this food review. I hope you guys like this food review. I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys do like. If you don't, then I don't care. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn those notifications on. Every time I upload, and share my videos, the reaction videos, and reviews, and our stuff with my channel to your friends and else if you want your choice. Because I ain't making it. So yeah. And on the main channel here, we're about the 4K subscribers, and on the back of the channel, Turn 2.0, in the gaming channel, starting gaming, Bob on the road to 1 subscribers. So yeah. And it is food review, and I'll see you all more banger content. So I'll see you next time. Signing out, peace, and peace out, everyone.